Hi guys, and welcome to this video by Mr. Business Studies. Today we'll be looking at business finance and in particular profit and loss accounts. Let's start by looking at the information you'll need to complete your profit and loss account. Firstly, you'll need the revenue figure, which is the total income the business has generated over the financial year. Next, you'll need the purchase figure. This is any money spent on raw materials and stock which are then sold on to generate revenue. Thirdly, you'll need the opening and closing stock figures. Opening stock is the stock value of the start of the financial year, and the closing stock is the stock value at the end of the financial year. Finally, you'll need the expenses figure. This is any other expenditure which was not spent on stock and raw materials. Examples of these include marketing, wages, rent and rates. Now let's look at the profit and loss account. So this is a basic profit and loss account for the financial year 2010-2011. Our first figure here is the sales revenue, and this figure goes in this box here. For this year it was £60,000. Next we have our cost of sales, also known as purchases. Here we have our opening stock, which is £15,000, our purchases, which are £5,000, and our closing stock, which is £5,000. To calculate the total cost of sales, as in this yellow box here, we must take the opening stock, add to this our purchases, and then take away our closing stock. So for this example, this gives the figure £15,000 in this yellow box here. Our gross profit is calculated by taking our sales revenue minusing our cost of sales. For this example here, it gives £45,000. Our expenses are listed here, such as wages, £10,000, rent, £10,000, utilities, £1,000, insurance, £1,000, and depreciation, £1,500. These are all added together to get our total expenses in this yellow box here, which for this example is £23,500. To get our net and operating profit, we must take our gross profit, which was £45,000, and take away from this our total expenses, which was £23,500. This gives our final net or operating profit of £21,500. If the value in this box here at the bottom right was a negative number, we have made a financial loss for that year. And that's how you complete a basic profit and loss account for business finance. Thanks very much for watching. If you did like the video, please subscribe and like, and leave